I'm gonna show you how to use ChatGPT to plan viral YouTube videos in 2023. If you're a YouTuber or you want to start a YouTube channel, this video is for you because I am going to show you how to take advantage of ChatGPT to come up with ideas that you can actually use on YouTube to go viral. So let's jump right into it. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna log into ChatGPT. Now if you don't have an account, it's very easy to sign up. All you need to do is go to ChatGPT, then just click Start for free. Once you're signed up, it should automatically reroute you to the home page, which looks like this. What you want to do is over on the left-hand side, you want to click Templates, and then out of all these different options, I want you to click YouTube Ideas Generator because that's the one we're going to be using today. Once you've clicked on that, it's going to ask you some questions. The first question is, what's your channel about? This is where you want to put the topic of your YouTube channel. Let's say you're a fitness YouTuber, you want to put fitness, then we'll click Next. The next thing it's gonna ask you is, what type of video are you looking to create? There's a lot of different types of videos you could create. You could do a tutorial, a product review, a top 10 list. For our example, we're going to do a workout routine. So I'm going to put workout routine and then click Generate Ideas. After you've done that, it's going to give you 5 different ideas. And then you can either regenerate those 5 ideas or you can click on one of the ideas and it will give you more information on that idea. As you can see, it gives you the idea, the description, and then also a title. So for example, here, if I wanted to use this idea, I could use this title, Quick 10-minute of workout. I could use this description, a 10-minute of workout that requires no equipment and can be done anywhere. And then this is the idea that ChatGPT came up with. Now this is not going to work every single time. I found that if you actually click on one of the ideas and then click on more information, it will actually give you a detailed description of what that video would look like if you were to make it. So as you can see here, it says target audience, people who are interested in fitness and working out at home. It also gives you an introduction that you could use. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Then it also gives you the steps to the workout. So as you can see, it literally gives you everything you need to know in order to create this workout routine video. It even ends the video for you by saying thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So this is a great way to save time when you're trying to plan your next YouTube video. The next prompt you can use is what I like to call the hook, script, and outline prompt. So if you're stuck when it comes to scripting out your YouTube videos, you could use this prompt. To do that, we're gonna go back to the templates on the left-hand side. We gonna click Templates, and then we gonna click YouTube Video Script Outline Generator. From there, we gonna click Generate, and this is where you want to paste in your title. So let's say your title was Top 10 Best Protein Powders. You would simply copy that, go back to the prompt, paste the title and then click Generate. Then it's going to generate the hook, the script and the outline for your entire YouTube video. So as you can see here, it gives you the hook, Top 10 Best Protein Powders for 2023. It also gives you the script. So it gives you the intro, the outro, and then all of the points that you would need to talk about in the body of the video. And it even gives you an outline so you can follow along. So hopefully now you guys have some ideas on how you can use ChatGPT to help you with your YouTube videos. If you found this video helpful, please smash the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. We post weekly AI and business videos. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.